Are you trying to figure out where the real money in technology is flowing? While millions of retail investors argue over stock picks, crypto trends, and short-term side hustles, two family members quietly built an absolute monopoly on the modern digital economy. Look closely at the investigation board in this image. Jensen Huang, co-founder and CEO of NVIDIA, and Dr. Lisa Su, CEO of AMD, aren't just fierce market rivals, they are first cousins once removed. Together, their companies manufacture virtually all of the high-performance graphics, processing units, GPUs, data center chips, supercomputing hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure powering the global economy today. This isn't an internet conspiracy. It is the ultimate masterclass in family legacy, strategic positioning, and long-term wealth creation. Every single day, millions of people log on to the internet asking the exact same question. How do I make real money in the modern economy? They jump from one trending side hustle to another. They trade penny stocks, chase crypto pumps, and spend thousands of hours trying to predict what the market will do tomorrow. But if you look at the people who actually build trillion-dollar fortunes, they aren't playing that game. They aren't chasing trends. They are building the infrastructure that makes those trends possible. Look at the image on your screen right now. It looks like a detective's evidence board, but it reveals the biggest open secret in the history of Silicon Valley. On the left, you have Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. On the right, you have Dr. Lisa Su, the CEO of AMD. On the surface, these two run fierce, multi-billion-dollar competitor companies, fighting for total dominant market share in graphics and artificial intelligence. But here is the detail most people completely miss. Jensen Huang and Lisa Su are first cousins once removed. That means one single extended family line currently controls the hardware engine, powering over 90% of the world's artificial intelligence, supercomputing clusters, cloud servers, and high-performance gaming devices. While the rest of the world argues over which AI app is going to win, this family owns the digital pipeline that every single one of those apps must pay to use. To build true wealth, you have to understand the fundamental difference between selling a product and owning a bottleneck. Back in the 1800s, during the California gold rush, thousands of prospectors moved west, dreaming of striking it rich. A tiny fraction of them ever found gold. But do you know who got wealthy every single time? The merchants selling the picks, shovels, and denim jeans. They didn't care who found gold on any given day, because every single prospector had to buy tools from them before they even started digging. Jensen Huang and Lisa Su built the modern equivalent of picks and shovels for the digital age. When NVIDIA was founded in 1993, Jensen didn't set out to make quick software apps. He focused on parallel processing and accelerated graphics. Decades later, when researchers realized that parallel computing was the exact mathematical architecture needed to train massive AI models, NVIDIA was already 20 years ahead of every competitor on Earth. When Lisa Su took over AMD in 2014, the company was teetering on the edge of bankruptcy. Instead of making safe, minor tweaks, she made a massive strategic gamble. She redirected AMD's engineering focus entirely toward a high-performance x86 server chips and modular architectures. She turned a dying business into a multi-hundred-billion-dollar tech giant capable of going toe-to-toe with Intel and NVIDIA. They didn't chase short-term hype. They identified a fundamental bottleneck in human progress, computing power, and committed their lives to owning it. Section 2. Lessons to build your own empire. How do you take this mindset and apply it to your own life and financial goals right now? You don't need to be a semiconductor engineer to build an empire, but you do need to adopt the exact same principles that made these tech leaders unstoppable. Principle 1. Stop selling time, start building leverage. If your income is directly tied to the exact number of hours you work, your earning potential has a hard ceiling. The wealthy focus on leverage. Leverage comes from software, media, capital, and specialized systems that generate value while you sleep. Shift your focus from how many hours can I work today to what asset can I build today that will produce value for years. Principle 2. Master one irreplaceable skill. Generalists compete on price. Specialists set their own price. Both Jensen Huang and Lisa Su held advanced engineering degrees and spent decades honing their domain expertise before reaching peak market influence. In a world full of surface-level knowledge, deep technical mastery or specialized skill stacking gives you an undeniable unfair advantage. Principle 3. Play 10-year games. Most people overestimate what they can accomplish in a month, but completely underestimate what they can achieve in a decade. Real compounding wealth takes time, relentless execution, and the courage to stay the course when everyone else gives up. Stop looking for overnight success and start laying foundation bricks every single day. We are currently living through the single largest wealth transfer in modern human history. As technology accelerates, the gap between those who consume and those who build is widening faster than ever before. You can either sit back and watch tech giants capture trillions in market value, or you can take control of your financial destiny today. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a deep dive. Break down into business, tech dominance, and financial independence.